I'm so sorry, buddy. Absolutely. Let's head down the creek and spend the night in the middle of a tamarack swamp. We'll head about 6 miles, as the crow flies, through banks of spruce, pine, and old eastern white cedar, all the way to the beaver dam, a great place to get out and stretch our legs. Here we go, buddy. Beavers build dams to create deep ponds of water where they can build their lodge, accessed only through underwater secret tunnels to keep them safe from predators. They stack sticks and logs on top of each other to stay above water and stay dry. Sometimes they even have a separate room where they dry off before coming into their den. Pretty cool, eh? Now, let's get to camp and get settled in. I used to come here with my grandfather as a child and spend the night on the banks, fishing. So many memories, and so cool to be back. It looks a little different, but still feels the same. Now, let's set up our tent between these two cedars, in case the rain. There you go, boy. And our hammock, right on the riverbank. Now, let's start a fire and have some supper. A delicious grilled cheese sandwich on a cast iron with some Munster cheese and some sharp cheddar. Holy what? Thanks for hanging out, everyone. Have a great weekend, and please enjoy yourself.